Welcome back to the channel, good friends. Brian from Apex Detail. In the last video, I put together and have already sent out a basic detailing kit to get someone started, taking care of their own car or maybe start their own venture, and that kit is on its way. Well, that one kit turned into two kits, so I put two kits together and sent them on their way. Today, let's turn two into three. So today, before the holidays, I'll put a third kit together and get it sent out for someone special out there to, again, either start their own venture or take care of their own car. But this kit will be a little bit of an upgrade, more intermediate. The polisher will be an upgrade and the chemicals will be a little bit more serious. And this kit will be themed. This will be a very merry extreme Christmas. So the products and the polishers and the tools will be from Extreme Solutions. And hey, let's just get right into the video. I'll show you exactly what we're talking about. We really put a decent lineup together for you that will cover the bases and the steps from the wash process all the way up to the protection process and in between. Tools, chemicals to get the job done efficiently and economically. The products and tools in this lineup are used on a daily basis and loved here at the shop, and that includes PolySeal, which is a hybrid polymer spray sealant, can be used in many ways, and I'll refer you back to the showcases on my channel how to use them. Topper is another one that's loved here. It can be used many ways, but we use it here strictly for a topper for coatings. And here we have the economical and efficient Extreme Suds, which will give you a high foaming surfactant detergent that includes water softeners and soil emulsifiers, which will break down road film. And that will bring us then to the BioClean that can be used in many ways, interior, exterior, diluted, can be safe for all interior materials. Very important. Next we come to Showroom Elegance that can be used in many ways. Quick Detailer, you can use that as a waterless wash. That's what we use it for here. Use that at a show to remove light dust or fingerprints. And then we get to some detail brushes, different sizes from MaxShine. Some correction products and tools, and they include the LVR 496 Finale. We just did a showcase on that, and I use that in many ways, especially on new clear coat and soft clear coat. Trifecta is a 3-in-1. That is LVR 369 that will cut, finish, and also protect. You have to have pads to team these polishes up with, so we have a microfiber cutting and polishing pad with a foam backing. You have to have something to attach the pads to, right? So we're going to throw in a brand new M8 Pro Shine Master polisher. Included in this kit is the polisher itself, which is inside a nice carrying bag, and you get the booklet and the little tool bag that contains the warranty card, the instruction manual, an extra set of brushes, and the little Allen key to swap out the backing plate. The backing plate already has a 5.5-inch unit attached to it already, so no need to swap that out, and you're really pretty much set. The M8 Pro is a 120 volt, 1000 watt polisher. It has a 5-inch backing plate, 8mm throw, that's the oscillation, that's how the backing plate moves and gets the work done on your vehicle, 2000 to 6500 orbits per minute. This is an upgraded version of the M8 Pro with a more ergonomic shape. You have the platypus-shaped handle up front, speed dial that will give you tactile feedback, the vents that'll keep the air circulating to keep the unit cool, a nice long 12-foot cord, a nice unit to get started with. Okay, good friends, that is the third and final kit I'm putting together, and we'll have that sent out before Christmas. But stay tuned to the channel. I do it periodically. You never know when. I've been doing it since the inception of the channel. I love to help you guys out and will continue to do so. How do you qualify for the kit? It's simple, and it's not about me. So I'm going to put a link down in the description box and pin it in the comment section that will take you to the Extreme Solutions YouTube channel, which they're going to start to cover all types of subjects within the community, not just their own products. So it's something recommended to do. Down in my comment section, I would just like you to comment Very Merry Extreme Christmas, and do that. I would do that without hesitation, because I want to pick a winner quickly and get that sent out for Christmas before the end of the week. So that's all you need to do. I love you guys. Please have a safe and happy holiday season. Merry Christmas. Happy New Year. We have a great New Year coming up for this channel. A lot of exciting things I'm going to share with you, so stay tuned.